Hello guys, welcome back. In this lesson number 7, we'll talk about create report. We have two options to create our report by using Guide Me or by using report editor. The first one, we will try to create our report by using Guide Me. When we log into our data model, after press save as sample data, we can press create report and then move to the other page like selecting the data model and choose one of these options, Guide Me or use report editor. Let me move to BI Publisher. Now I want to log into my data model, report data set, which is the first data set we created before, and go to data. It's better or recommended to try to show as much as you want rows. For example, 100 rows, view, and then press save as sample data in order to use this sample data in report creation wizard. Now go to create report. As we entered already to the data model and from data model we press create report, the data model will be selected here, data model. I can select another data model. Okay, then go to this option. How do you want to create your report? By using Guide Me or by using report editor? I will select Guide Me and then press next. Now I have page options. It's portrait or landscape. I will keep select portrait. Now I was selecting the data model. Now I am selecting layout step. For the layout, I want my report layout to be contain only table, chart, pivot table, or chart and table, chart and pivot table, or to chart and table. I am not only limited for these options, I can add more object later, but for now I will select chart and pivot table. Next. Now, it will ask me to add drag drop the required columns. For value, I have to select aggregated value or numbers. For series here, for series and label, I have to select dimension or lookup table. I will drag and drop salary here in value. It's by default give me the total salary for all department and for all jobs and can select department here, label. If I want to add legend, for example, I can drag and drop here in series. Okay. Now it's created the first chart. I can change the chart type to be line chart or pie chart if I want, but I can keep it bar chart as default. Now press next. Now I will move to create the table, second chart. The table by default, it's gave me department and salary. I can change it by press X here and drag and drop job title, for example. Here I have two options, show grand total, row grand total and column grand total. And here I can switch rows and columns. If I press now, the department will be in the row and like this. I can repeat it back, department to be in the row. Now press next. Now, congratulations, you created your report. Would you like to view your report or go to the layout editor to customize it? No, I want to view report. Press finish. Now it will ask me to save the report. Here we can save employee report. Save. Now our report is created successfully, and as you can see here, we have these parameters that we created in data model, department, job ID, hire date from to. Now here I have only single layout employee report that contains one chart and one pivot table. Here I have refresh icon. If I load the data in the backend, I can refresh the data and show the latest data. Here I have parameters if I want to show or hide my parameters. Here the export view report. I want to see the interactive report, or I want to export the PDF or HTML or RTF or XLS or PPT PowerPoint, as we mentioned in our presentation, the beginning of this course. I can, for example, export to PDF, show as PDF, and then I can save or export, print out as PDF. Okay, cancel. Now I can add the report to my favorite, and I have two options here: edit report and edit layout. The report can contain one or more layout. If you has, for example, Microsoft Excel, you have three sheets, right? As sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. The report is similar to Microsoft Excel. The first tab here is employee layout, employee report, which is the first layout. I can add more layout. This is why I have two options here: to edit report or edit layout. For example, edit reports. It will show me the all layout that I have. For example, I have only one layout, employee reports. I can go inside edit to edit my first or my only layout that I have. Here I can add more object, and I can check my properties here for each object, but I will keep it to the next lecture. Thank you.